Hello and welcome, friends. So, we are on our way to Darjeeling. Darjeeling is a town in the Himalayan foothills, once a summer resort for the British Raj elite. It is famous for the narrow gauge Darjeeling Himalayan Railway or the toy train and Darjeeling tea. We have a very short 1 day stay in Darjeeling, so won't be able to cover the whole thing. We'll take you to the destinations which we have covered in this 1 day trip. We are crossing Ghoom, which is a small hilly neighborhood in the Darjeeling Himalayan region. Ghoom railway station is the highest railway station in India. The toy train reminds us of the old Hindi song from the film Aradhana, Meri Sapno Ki Rani Kab Aayegi Tu. Now we are at the Batashia Loop, located between Ghoom and Darjeeling, is the highest point in the world where locomotive engines operate. It attracts people for spectacular view of Mount Kanchenjunga and other snow-capped Himalayan mountains. At the center stands a war memorial. The toy train runs from NJP to Darjeeling but has not started yet. The toy train joyride from Darjeeling to Ghoom and back is currently operating. Now we are on our way to our hotel, which is in the Mall Road. There are plenty of hotels in Darjeeling of various rates, so hotels are not an issue here. The Darjeeling Clock Tower, located near the Chowk Market and the Mall Market, is now a much neglected heritage structure. Now we are at the Darjeeling Mall, which is the town center or the social center. There are plenty of old and heritage stores here. There are plenty of food corners here, street foods. This place is Shoppers Paradise. You get different types of woolen garments here. The Mahakal Mandir is also here. So you can enjoy hours at this place. Step aside is the house where the great patriot and freedom fighter of Bengal, Chittaranjan Das, lived the last 1 month of his life and passed away in this house on June 16, 1925. Next day, early morning, we went to the Tiger Hill to see the sunrise. The sunrise from this place is simply breathtaking, and we were lucky enough to get a cloudless sky. So we could see Mount Kanchenjunga and rest of the snow-capped mountains clearly. This place has a panoramic view of Mount Everest and Mount Kanchenjunga together. We were lucky enough to see the mighty and majestic Kanchenjunga in front of us due to clear sky. The beautiful tea gardens here will drive you simply crazy. Our short trip comes to an end. We are on our way back home, totally rejuvenated. Meet you again in a different vlog with a new place. Thank you and bye-bye.